So dear students, in the last video we were discussing about air pressure. In that I told you that there is inverse relationship between air pressure and temperature at mean sea level. ओके अगर हम समुद्र तल की बात करें तो दोनों में उल्टा संबंध होता है. एंड एयर ऑलवेज मूव फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर. ओके, हाई प्रेशर टू low pressure. High pressure is related to low temperature and low pressure means high temperature. As we discussed in the last video, air always move from equator to poles and from poles to equator, because after being being heated, it becomes lighter, it moves upward and sinks downward, so it moves towards the poles, not exactly the poles, rather that you can say moves up to subtropical high pressure belt. Today we are going to discuss about those things through a diagram. Okay, so next point of this video or this chapter is wind. I hope the things are clear in your mind. First of all, we discussed about temperature, then we discussed about air pressure. Today we are going to discuss about the wind. What is the wind? As we discussed, the movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. You can observe this movement of the air. You can see that in summers or any season, if you see some papers moving from one place to another place during the storms, the roots of the trees are even roots of the trees are uprooted. Lot of dust particles you can find blowing from one place to another place in a particular direction. So it shows that air moves, and the speed of the air depends upon the difference in the pressure of two places. If the difference of air pressure is more between the two places, it will result in increase in the speed. But if the difference in pressure is low, the wind might be very gentle and it might be very slow as well. Sometimes you might have seen that a strong wind blows and you are not able to even walk against it, especially when you are on cycle. You are not able to pedal your cycle against the wind. Okay, and even you can have you can have experience of this strong wind with your umbrella when you are not able to hold it on a windy day. Okay, so you can think of some other examples when strong winds have created trouble for you. So many times it has happened to all of us while moving from school on a summer day or in the month of July. You might be having you might have felt a lot of times that strong winds obstruct your way and create problem for you while going to home, especially on cycle or other vehicles. So winds can be broadly divided into three types. This is very important to understand. इसको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, इसको ध्यान से समझना होगा. ठीक है. Winds are of three types. Number one, permanent. Permanent winds. Second is seasonal winds, and third one is this is 1, 2 and 3 local winds. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. It is better to discuss it through a diagram. Okay, it will be easily understood. Okay, ये कैसा डायग्राम बना दिया मैंने. Anyway, bear it. I might not be good at drawing. Okay. I will draw the low pressure belt with red color so that you are able to distinguish easily. This is area of low pressure. Okay, this is 0 degrees. I know you know it very well. It's equator. Okay, so During summers, when the temperature is very high over the equator, it is comparatively low in the surrounding areas. First of all, let me draw Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south. Okay, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Beyond that, 30 degree north to around 35 degree north. In the southern hemisphere also, it is 30 degree north to 35 degree north here, and 30 degree south to 35 degrees south in southern hemisphere. This is area of a subtropical high pressure belt. Subtropical high pressure belt. Okay, now the question is, what is responsible for high pressure belt in these two areas? Actually, whatever wind moves from here, from from equator upward, it moves towards tropical areas after being cooled in the upper layers. जब ये हवा ऊपर जाकर ठंडी होती है, then it sinks down, तभी नीचे आती है, नीचे की तरफ फैलती है, और जहाँ ही जाती है, wherever this wind sinks, it increases the pressure in that area. Okay, so this is area of high pressure and this is area of low pressure. So now wind will move from high pressure to low pressure, high pressure to low pressure. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऐसे मुड़ेंगी, ऐसी हवाएं घूमेंगी. You have to keep in mind. Okay, these are also called easterlies. आपसे पूछा जाएगा easterlies क्या है. Because they move from east to west. आपको डायग्राम और बना देता हूँ. East, west, north, south. Because the winds are moving from east towards west, that's why they are called easterlies. Okay, keep in mind. One more thing is associated with this high pressure belt, that they are called horse latitude. They are called horse latitude. Why are they called horse latitude? They are called horse latitude because in past, when traders used to go through this belt, either towards North Pole or from north towards south, they had to go through this subtropical high pressure belt. So because of high pressure of the wind, the ships were not able to move. Because at that time we did not have you can say steam engines or diesel engines with us. Rather, the ships used to sail with the help of sails. So it was not possible, or it was very difficult for the sailors to move their ships. That's why they used to throw their horses in the sea to reduce the weight of the ship so that they can move. That's why these areas are known as horse latitude. Okay, so the permanent winds are trade winds. These are permanent winds because they blow throughout the year. Their direction their location might be a bit changed due to shifting of the sun from equator to Tropic of Cancer or from equator to Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so this belt might be a bit changed, but the winds remain the same. The winds blow throughout the year. That's why they are called permanent winds. Okay, इसके बाद हम चलते हैं एक और बेल्ट बनाते हैं आगे. It is around 60 degree latitude in both the hemispheres. This is again area of low pressure. Oh, I promised to draw it with the red pen, but I forgot, sorry. This again area of subpolar low pressure belt, subpolar low pressure belt. Actually, because of rotation of the earth, the air remains very less over here, and at the same time, because it is high latitude, the air remains density of the air becomes very poor, and at the same time, because of rotation, the air is deflected in both the direction, northern side as well as southern side. So the pressure remains very low over here, hence the wind move from high pressure to low pressure. तो wind जो है वो, this is area of high pressure belt, subpolar high. Okay, so from subpolar to from this subtropical high pressure belt to subpolar low pressure belt. The wind will move from here to here. These are called westerlies, because the wind is moving from west to east. Okay, these are called westerlies. Same here, this is polar high, this is polar high, because this is polar area, so temperature remains high over here, low pressure remains very high here due to low temperature. So wind will move from poles to subpolar low. Again these are easterlies. Okay, again easterlies. So easterlies, westerlies, easterlies. Okay, and all these are permanent winds. I hope the things are clear in your mind. Even then, if you have any problem, you can give me a call. Okay, last of this topic we'll discuss local winds. So we have discussed about seasonal winds, permanent winds. Now we are going to discuss seasonal winds. Dear students, seasonal winds means the winds which change their direction in different seasons. Actually, these trade winds, these one, which are known as easterlies as well. Okay, they change their direction in different seasons, because in summers when the sun rays are vertical over here, not here, this is equator, sun rays are vertical over here in the month of March and September, but in the month of June the sun rays are vertical over here at the Tropic of Cancer. So undoubtedly this belt shifts over here, and the winds which reaches up to here, they will reach up to Tropic of Cancer. And in winters, when the sun rays are vertical over here in the month of December and January at the Tropic of Capricorn, the winds of this hemisphere will reach up to here after crossing the equator, because this low pressure belt area will shift to Tropic of Capricorn in the month of December. Okay, when we feel winters over here in northern hemisphere. So the winds that reaches to here in March and September, they reaches up to here in the month of June, and in the month of December the winds which are over here, they come back to this area. So this is called seasonal reversal of wind, which is also called monsoon in general language. Okay, so monsoons are, or what monsoon means? Monsoon means seasonal reversal of the wind. Okay, last is the local winds. These blow only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. During the day you see the wind move from sea to land, which are called land breeze, and at the night time, which are known as sea breeze, and during the night wind move from, or air move from land to sea. Okay, these are called sea breeze. So land breeze and sea breeze, they move from land to sea, sea to land. लैंड ब्रीज एंड सी ब्रीज. उसके अलावा और क्या है, आपने नाम सुना होगा लू इज़ अ लोकल विंड दैट मूव्स इन द एरिया ऑफ हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट whole of northern plain and Rajasthan. It reaches up to Mediterranean Sea. This is the belt where you feel low pressure belt in the summers, and hence a local wind blows over here which is called loo, and this loo is very hot and dry and deadly. Apart from loo, there are so many local winds are there. I put name some of the main you can say local winds here, like Chinook को बोलते हैं स्नो ईटर, ये कनाडा जैसे एरिया में मूव करती है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये गर्म होती है, बर्फ़ को खा जाती है, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं स्नो ईटर. उसके बाद हर्मिटन जैसी है, हर्मिटन मीन्स डॉक्टर, तो ये आपकी इटली के आसपास के एरिया में ब्लो करती है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये गर्म हवा होती है. सो इट गिव्स गुड लॉट ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन टू द पीपल ऑफ जॉइंट पेन्स, people with joint pains. That's why this wind is called Hermiton or Doctor. So these are certain local winds. I hope the things are clear in your mind. Even then, if you have any problem, you can give me a call. Okay, thank you.